Hey guys, it's Zmonfo Show. Today, I thought since I didn't get to stream, I'm gonna make a video using my sandbox one. Let's resume a saved. Let's see which one's sandbox. Boldly Go, that's our sandbox, I think. Alright, and I figured since I've got some of these mods added in here that I could try some of the pre-made aircraft and see how they handle and how I fly them. First I wanted to start with some of the space planes just to see what they kind of look like. Let's see what we got here. The Ares 3A, the Ares 4A. Let's see, let's get one that looks really cool. What is that? Rocket powered VTOL. Alright. Ooh, that one looks kind of cool. Yeah, let's try this one. Oh baby. I wonder if that'll fly, like in our atmosphere. Only one way to find out. Wait, let's look at the, yeah, it should work. Alright, let's try this. So I'm hoping I found a lot of really good copyright-free EDM music. I know those of you that watch the stream know that I listen to a lot of EDM while we're playing, and I think I won't get a copyright strike for this. So we'll find out. Alright, so let's see. Let's turn SAS on right off the bat. What are you? Wait, we got 2 engines? Oh wow. What is the point of that? Oh, and we have boosters or what? Why are we losing? Alright, whatever. Let's see what happens. There we go. Ooh, that's pretty. What kind of engine is that? We're going to have to look at that engine when we get back. Alright. Oh, and it's nighttime. What a pretty day. Alright. Can I nose wheel steer? Yeah, well, no, I think I got it turned off, but the tail's working fine. Alright, pretty close to rotate speed. Let's see if we can get off the ground. There we go. Nice. Alright, get our gear put up there. Yep. Sweet, this thing flies nice. I guess you could expect that from a pre-made aircraft, but still. Speed's a little low. Let's turn up the thrust a little bit. Wow. Yeah, I like this aircraft. That's pretty cool. So then we just gotta think about, can we connect this to something and then fly it way up into the atmosphere? Let's see if we can land on this airstrip over here. Could get a little altitude and then cut the engines. Oh, starting to go a little too fast. Let's slow it down. Alright. Geez, with how efficient these engines are, you might be able to get to low orbit. I wouldn't hold my breath though. At least not with my skills. It could be a little more maneuverable, but even so, it's pretty nice. Got these little side tanks that feed into the first engine. Oh, I see how it works then. So then once these are done, you blow that gets rid of the engine, and you blow that gets rid of your extra pods. So then all you got is this guy. That's pretty cool. Alright, we could probably cut our engines here and see what happens. Hopefully this thing doesn't fly like a brick. Go ahead and put our landing gear back down. Oh, I forgot this is one of those unimproved landing strips, but I think we can still make it work. What are we at? 1100 meters and 140 knots. Or, I'm sorry, not knots. 140 meters per second. We are not online, boys. Let's yeah, we're gonna need a little more boost. Just enough to keep us moving forward until we can get online. Oh. Yep, there we go. There we go. Get a little air real quick. And now we can dump our boosters all the way. Oh, we are going way too fast, boys. Air brake. Yep, we're gonna overshoot by a little bit. Alright, let's just try and get on the ground. Jeez. We're gonna overshoot our runway. Oh. What? Oh. Those are extra pods. Oh, brakes. We might have had a little bit of a tail drag there. No worries. Oh, and... well, there's that. What? Well, I don't really know what broke there. Okay, why are we still moving? We've been solid brakes for a while now. Alright. Let's revert. Cool, that was a really cool aircraft. Alright, let's go back to the space plane hangar. I like that. Cool. Alright, let's load another one and see what else we got. What are you? Velocitize. I want to see, where's this guy? Is this like a big jet? Yeah, jetliner. That's pretty sweet. Yep. We're gonna fly that one, boys. Let's see. I don't really need all this stuff, I don't think, while I'm just playing this. There we go. That just clutters up the screen anyway. Alright, cool. We got our two main engines, and that's about it. Alright, let's go. Spin them up, boys.
This is your captain speaking. If you could just buckle up and enjoy the ride, we're going to be crashing right into the ground just past this airstrip. Thank you, and fly again with noob Kerbal Space Program.
Boom, boom. Wonder if I get stewardess on this flight. Can we get the pilot a drink, please? Alright, we should be good, close enough to rotate. Yep, there we go. I like all the extra control surfaces they put on here just to kind of fill out the wings. I don't think most of them are necessary. Yeah, I think most of these are locked, but which ones aren't locked? Oh, so literally just that one, and then the far outside aileron are the only ones that actually move. It's probably good that way though. What is this? Oh, they just use triangle pieces and then put some random bump on there. I guess. Oh, we don't want to get too far because I don't want to go too far in this one. I just want to see how this thing flew. See if we can do kind of a backflip into a roll and line ourselves up for landing. I know, not a true roll, but here we go. Oh, we aren't lined up right now. I probably should pay attention to that. Here, let's cut our engines down. Not all the way. I wish we had like air brakes. Maybe there is. Again, everyone, I'm a noob, so I don't know anything about this game. I know a little bit. I've streamed a couple times with it now and had people in chat that have helped me out tremendously to understand some of the basic mechanics of the game. This thing's so big that the perspective kind of changes. Oh, and it glides forever. That's going to be difficult to land. What, did I just bounce? I bounced. Don't go off the side. Don't go off the side. There we go. I was worried those lights were like bumps or something and they're gonna make us flip. I don't think our brakes are gonna do it, boys. I wish this thing had reverse thrust. It's okay, we're still alive. Here, can we turn this around? Here, let me make sure the nose wheel steering is turned on. Raise gear. What? What? Why can't I? Okay. This thing's gonna take forever to turn around. Alright, let's just revert. Sweet! I like that one. Alright, let's take a look at some of the, well, maybe one more aircraft real quick.
No clarity?
I've never heard this song. Alright, revert. Here we go. Just for those of you that are interested in this copyright-free EDM music, I'll post a link down in the description so you guys can go check it out. Right. In case you do some streaming and don't want to get copyright infringement. Which one did we just do? It was like an A3 or something like that. I don't know. I want to fly something super maneuverable. This is probably pretty, well, maybe not. Piece of crap. That's one that I built. That one's kind of cool. Let's do that one real quick. Oh yeah, that's beautiful. Oh, I like that design a lot. Alright, let's play with this one real quick. 2 engines. Alright, no real staging. Right up my alley. Alright, let's see what we got here. Yep, we got all 4 engines boosting at once, apparently. I wish there were like airports like on the other side of the planet or something like that, so you'd have something to aim for other than just that one right over there. Alright, let's do this. Let's see if we can get this one into orbit. Maybe not orbit, suborbit. Uh-oh, uh-oh. Okay, we're good. I think I forgot to turn on. Get the gear up. Might as well aim up as much as we can without making our speed go down. Wow, this thing's got some boost. Look at that, still climbing, I'm almost vertical. Climbing in speed, not. Look at that, it's just sipping gas. Dude, where's my... not Delta V stats. I never remember which ones these are. Orbit info? There we go. How are we doing on speed? Oh, we're dropping. Guess that was kind of expected at some point. That thing had 45,000 Delta V? Holy crap. Take this thing to the moon. Oh, we need to get some airspeed. We'll get a little speed real quick and then we'll aim back up. Kind of a foul on my part, I wasn't paying attention to that. I was busy looking at the stats and stuff. We should be able to start climbing pretty soon since we're Or maybe these engines just don't work all that well at high altitude. And we're still pointed down and our speed is barely climbing. It seems like maybe these engines only work at low altitude then. That's okay. Still pretty cool. The fact that it had that much delta V is just incredible. But our TWR was 0, so I mean, what do you really expect? Alright, let's turn around and go back. Oh, now you want to get airspeed? Hope we pull out of this. It is not as maneuverable as I was expecting. Oh, we good. We good. Thing might disintegrate. We'll see what happens. All the speeds belong to us. Let's just cut the engines here and see if we can coast in from this far out. I built an airplane the other day that I swear the thing just would glide forever. I think we glided along the water with no engines on for a good half mile to a mile. But we'll buzz the... Oh no, we won't. Oh jeez. Oh gosh. Alright, let's revert. No, I want to jump over into some of the rocket ships, see what they've got on these mods as well. Alright, let's exit. May not even be mods, these might just be preloaded. I don't even know if I have my mods loaded up right now. I probably should have checked that before we started this. Duna or bust. That was a fun one. Alright, what do we got? That's interesting. Sky Rover plus Sky Crane. That's cool. Are these all rovers? Satellite launch kit. That's kind of cool looking. What else? Dino Wing? What do we got?
Most people who sign up for insurance on healthcare.gov
what?
qualify for financial
That's kind
to
of...
make coverage
Yep, we're
more
gonna launch that. I want to see what happens.
lowering the monthly premium.
It doesn't look bounced at all, but it probably is.
Many find low
I'm sure.
premium
Smarter people have done this. All right. What do we got? I guess I really shouldn't question the staging. I'm gonna have to fight it the whole way up. That's what it's starting to feel like. Oh, there we go. That's not bad. Those are my boosters. Okay, so those drop off and then something else kicks in. Oh, okay. Decoupling boosters. Start our gravity turn a little bit here. Nice. Is this our fuel tank here? I'm not paying attention. Come on. She's a fat one though. Oh, I see. They hid the fuel transfer right there. Smart. She wobble wobble. She just shake it, shake it. Just don't drop it, and please don't break it, break it. Yeah, we're gonna get into orbit. Sweet. Let's check out our orbit map real quick. Yeah, let's fast forward a little bit. Let's make sure we're lined up on prograde. I guess we are, obviously, but let's speed it up just a little bit. We got a minute to APO. We'll burn just a little bit before APO because I don't want to... I hate it when my parry ends up underneath me. Because that's the whole point, is to get your parry up, right? Am I still fast? Yeah, I'm fast forwarding still.
Signing up for health insurance?
Oh, enough with the commercials. I'm gonna have to get YouTube red. Uh-oh, I'm gonna miss it because I tabbed out. Well, I lied to you boys. Oh, wait. Let's aim a little above the horizon. Oh, not that high. Yep, that's what I was worried about. Yep. I probably should have saved a little bit. What do these do? Oh. Well, here goes nothing. Let's... There we go. Don't blow up. I wonder if I can start trying to steer myself towards the land. Not that much. Holy crap. Nope, 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 nope. We don't want to do that. Not too much. Engine's getting a little hot. We're okay. Calm down. Okay, let's was that? Hope that wasn't important. There we go. We'll just distribute the heat around. Thing's maneuverable though, right? What? Oh, wait, how did we slow down to 70 meters per second that fast? This isn't gonna be good. Right. Yeah, we're not gonna land this. I'd love if we could just get some airspeed, but that's not gonna happen. Here, wait, let's nose down, see if we can... No, I can't even nose down at this point. Alright, well then. That was fun. It did not... I don't know what... Here we go. Landed it flat. Go team. Yeah, I'm not sure why it slowed down so quickly. I think maybe I got a little too much into the wind and just kind of air braked us to Kingdom Come. Alright, we'll do one more real quick. Let's see what else we got. I mean, I do want to kind of... Let me see this real quick. It looks cool. That's pretty sweet, dude. I like it. I like it a lot. But that's not going to do anything here on Earth. And I don't have time to go to the moon. Here, let's take out... We'll check this out real quick. Because this was my Duna rocket ship, the one that we took to Duna. I was going for a mono rocket. I don't know the actual vernacular, but it was pretty sweet. We had a lot of fun getting there and back. So here, I'll launch it real quick and we can just see what happens. Alright. Pretty sure I was supposed to have... Isn't this supposed to be down here? I think this is supposed to fire first. And then this breaks off. Yeah, there we go. Yep, let's see what happens.
Yeah, I've been waiting here all along. Just being patient, hoping.
Nope, I didn't wait long enough.
Make it home. Feeling so lost, scrounging for quarter portions. Not even aware of my fate against the dark forces. Now every morning when I'm waking up, I got a feeling that there's something more to life. I can feel it calling me, it's like I got another me that's waking up inside. Why you keeping secrets from me? Why you been telling me lies? I can feel the anger deep inside me, slowly swell and rise. I cannot keep going on pretending that this is all I'm meant for. It's something I can't
There we go.
ignore. How the force just keeps on calling me in more. So here I am looking for you.
This thing is so slow at the beginning.
Feeling about this, but your last hope is true. Ever since I was a little kid, I heard the stories and I thought that they were lies. Now it's all real, the story of the man who could walk the skies. I believe in that, searching desperately to find the map. And by the way, I thought you might want this.
Here we go. Try and get my flight path indicator on 45, not necessarily my actual heading. Slow it down a little bit. Slow down. Got a little bit of the Jedi trap music going. we go. Got our 45 flight path indicator. We still got fuel for days. Fuel for days, son. We're grabbing it. Skirt! There we go. We climbing. Almost out of fuel. Get ready to switch stages. There we go.
Ever since I was a little kid, I heard the stories and I thought that they were lies. Now it's all real, the story of the man who could walk the skies. I believe in that, searching desperately to find the map. And by the way, I thought you might want this.
Dum, dum, bum, ba-dum, bum, ba-dum. That's pretty. Wish it was daytime so I can get a thumbnail. Dum, da-dum, dum, da-dum. Oh, Valentina, she looks so happy right now. She's like, yeah, we're safe. No, Valentina, no, you're not. I'm behind the wheel. And things only go wrong when I'm behind the wheel. Oh, cut the engine there. Oh, hello. There we go. Let's see. Time to area axis. All right. Let's make sure we're pointing prograde. I am your father.
From the Coen brothers. When the world's biggest star
There we go.
goes missing, we have your movie star. Gather $100,000.
Time is dropping.
Only Hollywood's
And
biggest names can solve the
we'll wait till we're about 20 seconds. Then I'll burn because I screwed it up last time.
Ray Fiennes, Jonah Hill,
All right, let's burn a little bit.
and Channing Tatum in the most epic comedy of the year.
Is it hard squeezing it like that?
It's part of the job, miss.
Part of the job, miss. That's gonna be a good movie. I hope that's not too loud for you guys. I'm sorry if it is. I'm gonna have to fine tune some stuff.
You are my sunshine.
That's kind of a cool song.
Light up my darkest times. You are my sunshine.
Should I aim up just a little bit? There we go. We're getting close to orbit. There you go, boys. We're in orbit. Nice. Well, I would continue. Well, maybe we'll continue just a little bit. See if we just do like a slingshot around Mun or something. Oh, wrong way. There we go. Alright. So we want to be aiming to target. And then, sorry, rip commentary there for a minute, guys. When I focus, sometimes I don't focus. Does that make sense? Actually, let's take a closer look at this real quick. Where's my... Yeah, there we go. So we're gonna be coming in this direction? That doesn't make sense. Does it? Oh, hello. How far is that out? 387,000. Excuse me? I'm looking for small increments, please. Okay. We'll fix it when we get closer. Alright, so we're aiming on target. Well, we're not because we don't have any burn going, but as soon as we start burning, it'll correct itself, I think. Alright, so let's speed up a little bit, get to the maneuver. And 30 seconds out. Oh, what was that? Somebody talking to me?
Signing up for health insurance was very easy. My premium is $22 a month.
It only took a few minutes, and I got exactly the kind of coverage I wanted at the price I wanted.
Financial help with healthcare.gov makes it possible.
Final 2016 enrollment deadline is January 31st.
What? Oh, we're out of fuel. Stand by. Getting close. Yeah, we ended up pretty close here. Let's just give it a... Oh, no. That's the wrong way. Alright. I wish there was like an anti-target. Alright. So this can go away. Let's do a retrograde burn real quick, just to get us a little closer. I went a little bit past it because I didn't hit X. I used control to drop it down. Here we go. Are we lined up? No. This thing moves like a... not very fast. My analogy game is strong. Or is that a simile? I can never remember. Oh, there is an anti-target. Whoa. I was just kidding, guys. I was seeing if y'all were paying attention. Here, let's put it on anti-target. Dum 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 bum 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 bum. Alright, can you hold that right there? That'd be great. If you just hold that. So we're just gonna put a little boost in there, and we're just gonna follow it down. Love the wobble. See how close we get to the moon. Granted, we might blow up. I mean, let's just keep that in mind. We kind of came in a little steep, so probably not going to be able to do like a free return trajectory or anything like that. Let's just warp to here. Here we go. So we should be getting influenced by the moon here pretty quickly. In which case we start going around this way. Oh jeez. Yeah, well, this wasn't meant to be like a trip thing anyway, so I'm not going to worry about the not being on axis or even making it back home. This is just a sandbox anyway. There we go. Now we're in the moon's influence. Let's warp to here. Let's do... I wonder if I can land this thing on the moon. Where are we at? We still have so much fuel. Line up retrograde. I'm not real sure where the moon's gravity starts grabbing you. I thought it was around 40 to 60,000, but I'm not positive. Alright, well we're suborbital in the moon now, or on the moon. Let's cut that real quick. Oh, nope, 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 nope. Thought we went over this. Which way am I going? I'm going that way. Let's burn till that's our apo there. Oh, let's burn. Let's stop there because then we'll land at least on the bright side of the moon. I mean, who likes the dark side anyway? It gets kind of a bum rap, but still. We got this guy. Let's go ahead and decouple. We'll get rid of that. We don't want to decouple that. Why is that? Man, staging is all kinds of messed up. What? Stupid! Alright. Yeah, we're gonna blow up. There's no atmosphere up here, so there's that. Woo! Alright guys, well, next time let's make sure our throttle's turned up so that we don't mistakenly think that our engine didn't fire. So, anyway, thanks for watching guys. I appreciate you stopping by. I'm sorry that I didn't get to stream today, so I hope maybe this will make up for it. I'll go ahead and post the link on Reddit so anybody that didn't get to see it will get to see it. And I will post the link of the music in the description. And thank you so much for stopping by today, guys. I really appreciate it. Y'all have a wonderful day, and peace out.